Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in a black paint finish and is the custom Trail Boss trim. Under the hood we have our 5.3-liter V8 engine paired to our automatic transmission and four-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have seating for 6 on a jet black cloth seating surface. We have our powered tailgate, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a backup camera with adaptive and hitch guidelines, black alloy wheels, a 2-inch factory lift, and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, and power windows, some storage as well as our speaker in the bottom of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our tow haul mode as well as our transfer case settings for our four-wheel drive. All of our lighting controls below with our electronic parking brake. Down the side of the driver's seat, we have our power settings, and we have a jet black finished front interior as well as rear interior. Getting into our vehicle and looking above our steering wheel to our display cluster. In the center, we have an information system, which we can control through the lever on the right-hand side. Moving down to the steering wheel itself, we have our cruise and our forward collision alert on the steering wheel controls on the left-hand side. Push to start ignition below and to the right, and our shifter on the top right. In the center, we have our infotainment system. If we go into audio and more, AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Also have a phone connection, Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, trailer light controls directly through our infotainment, as well as our backup camera with our adaptive and hitch guidelines. Below we have home, seek, additional menu controls as well as volume in the center, and our hands-free. Also have home in the bottom of our touchscreen. Below that we have our climate control, AC with front and rear defrost, temperature on the passenger side, and fan control on the driver's side. Across the bottom, we have our lane keep assist, our auto stop start, power tailgate, our hazard lights, traction control, and our downhill assist. Some power across the bottom, a USB-C, USB, 12 volt, and 120 volt plug. Moving to our center console, center seat combo, we have some storage as well as 2 cup holders in the front. Some deep storage that we can open up in the back of the console. I also currently have our key fob on here. On our key fobs, we have locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate, and our alarm at the bottom. If we just lift up on the front of our center console, we can turn it into our center seat. We have a release down the side on the driver's side. It's our jet black cloth finish as well. Underneath, we have some storage. You can also see we have a slot for our key. Passenger seat is also finished in our jet black cloth. Lastly, moving above the rear view mirror, OnStar settings at the front, dome lights on either side with our dome lighting controls at the front. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, just before our front door we have our Z71 badging for our off-road package in black. Moving down to the front tire and rim, we have our black alloy rim with our Chevrolet bowtie center cap and our all-terrain tire. Moving out, we have black capped mirrors as well as black capped door handles, 2-inch factory lift on the whole vehicle, black Trail Boss badging at the back of the vehicle as well as our corner bumper step. All the way around at the back, we have Chevrolet etched into our tailgate, as well as black Silverado and custom badging, dual chrome exhaust tips, and a black trailer hitch at the bottom of the vehicle, a powered lift or tailgate with a easy lift function. Bed of the truck, we have cable tie downs, 120 volt plug, as well as our in-bed lighting at the front, more cable tie downs at the back, and a spray-on bed liner across the vehicle. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker in the bottom of the door. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. 2 vents below our center seat, center console combo. Moving to the seats in the second row, we have a 60/40 fold-up bench finished in our jet black cloth. Lastly, to fold up these seats, we can simply push up on the front, and we have all-weather mats across the floor. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walkaround of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.